Hi and welcome back guys to AMCrypto, your trusted source for Bitcoin updates. So yesterday we had here a massive move to the downside and I got caught off guard and got liquidated on my trade. But what actually happened here and how we could have prevented that? That is something that I want to talk about, and of course where the Bitcoin price might be heading here now in the immediate short term. And if you think that's interesting, then definitely like this video, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. And let's get here directly into the chart now. So as we can see on the 4-hourly chart, the Bitcoin price came up here to this downward sloping resistance line of this falling wedge pattern that we were bouncing up and down in between. And once we were reaching here the resistance, we get a heavy rejection to the downside. But what was actually causing this? So I had shown you guys yesterday, I think it was here, yes, so here on this 1-hourly chart, this potential bull flag formation. But I will be absolutely blatantly honest with you guys. I was charting yesterday quite in a rush because I had some appointments, and afterwards I had also to go to Carl from the Moon to his office to also talk about some projects that we are collaborating on, and that's why I actually missed here a really big warning sign that was here in the charts. And let me show it to you guys. So here, if I would have spotted this yesterday, I would have not made the video that I have done yesterday. So you can see here, we had here a broadening rising wedge. And when we came here to the resistance, we started to go sideways. And instead of breaking up, we're breaking down out of it, and that would have been a massive warning sign for me if I would have seen this pattern beforehand. And then we broke here all the way down to the technical target and even lower. So now the question is, what is happening now in the Bitcoin chart? So technically, here is now another smaller bear flag forming. So if we break it further to the downside, then we have here a technical target of $33,100 approximately. And remember guys, I had told you that in the worst case scenario, if we ever drop here further to the downside, my absolutely bearish target is here this pocket down here of $32,500 to $30,800. I don't believe that we will ever get lower. But the bearish target down here, this bear flag target, makes a lot of sense to create on a macro structure a new higher low. And if you want to trade this, guys, if we break it to the downside, my entry would be then here, this low. When we break this low, $35,600 approximately. If we break this low, there I would open a short position and trade this then all the way down to $33,500 approximately. I would not risk to trade this all the way to the bearish target. I would at least use a trailing stop loss from 34,000 onwards in $200 steps. And if you want to trade this potential bear flag breakdown, then you can go either to BYBIT, to BitGet, or to Phemex. Here with my links on BYBIT, you still get $4,050 in bonuses and 0 maker fees. So if you put a limit order, it will be no maker fees for the next 30 days with my specific link. On BitGet, there are still $3,000 in bonuses available with my specific link, and on Phemex $4,100 with my link. So combined $11,150. That is the biggest bonus out there combined that you can find right now, only for you guys. So definitely take advantage of that. So now let's get back here to the Bitcoin chart. So here on the daily chart, we can also see that we got rejected from the point of control here on the VPVR, the $39,100 level. I had told you guys we need to reclaim this level and get on top of this volume bar so that Bitcoin can continue to move here higher. That was not the case. Instead, we got rejected from there, and now we are here in the volume tranche under this. If we break and lose this trench too, then obviously Bitcoin will head way lower and will get into direction of what I had just shown you here. Then we get all the way down here to $33,000. So, but I also wanted to show you something else, guys. If we are looking here with the Fibonacci extensions, then we can also see that from the swing high here to the swing low, that the 1.618 is lining up here also in heavy confluence with that bearish target of the bear flag, because we are here at 33,900, 33,732. So, and I will definitely keep an eye on that, because that could be the next target here for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. So, and yeah, we should be prepared for this. So, and here you see the candle is already fighting to keep here the green color. So if we see here further downwards momentum, and then I really believe that we get all the way down here. Also, the stochastic RSI is flatlining here, which is not a good sign, even though we see here the first lighter red candle on the MACD potentially, but I think there could be one more before this is also starting slowly to show signs of fading out of setting pressure here. So it could, in my opinion, it's quite likely that we see one more leg down and then finally a bounce back to the upside. Then we have swept all the lows in the $30,000 area, and then we should be good to go back to the upside. So, but for now, we have obviously to admit the bears are in control, and yeah, we should be careful here with going long. So also when we look here on the Bitcoin dominance, we can clearly see that we got here a massive rejection here, which is a good sign for altcoins, as we had here lower. Remember, I had told you that we will break here this level at 42.19 yesterday, and that was exactly what happened. So the next logical level to watch here is the 41.3 for the Bitcoin dominance. So, and yeah, if we break this, then we get here also way lower, and the altcoin season might then finally start. We should not forget that all the altcoins are, most of them, in the same setup right now on the macro time frames and ready to get into a new altcoin season. It is just probably maximum 2 weeks away. So we should also definitely keep an eye on that, guys. And if you want to make money in the meantime, even though the markets are dropping, then you can go here to my paid signals group. Here's the specific link where you get directly in touch with my staff. They will give you all the infos that you need. We make money even if Bitcoin is dropping. It doesn't matter. We make every day here amazing gains. So definitely check this out. Guys, that's it already for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Please smash up the like button, make some noise for the YouTube algorithm, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I will see you again tomorrow.